everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going on the Utopia of the Seas. I am so excited. It is the second largest ship. It is Royal Caribbeans, and it is insane. There's so much stuff to do. I am so excited. If you're wondering why I have all these gems in my hair, I went to the Taylor Swift concert last night, which if you haven't seen that video, go and check it out right now. It was so much fun. I'm so excited to go on the Utopia of the Seas, so let's go! And we made it!
Welcome everybody!
Oh my gosh. That's insane.
Deck 6.
Okay, we found one of our rooms. Ooh, look at it. It's nice. It's really pretty. So we got our bed. We got the little sofa bed. Here's our bathroom. Then we have a full-length mirror, which is nice. Hi. It works. I like it. You can like see what you're wearing. We have this really big TV. These are bigger than like the Disney TVs. Oh, and look at these hooks. This is helpful. This is really helpful because a lot of times you like need to figure out where to put your stuff and there's no hooks. I like it. It's nice. It's cute. Oh, and here's the balcony. So this one looks at the ocean. Right now it's looking at whatever that is, but you know, you get the gist of it. Oh look, there's the Disney boat. I think that's the Disney Wish. And there's the Carnival one, all the way over there. I like all the colors in here. It's better than some of the Disney colors, especially on the older boats. So it's cute. I'm super excited. This is a veranda that looks out on the ocean. We have another one, I think, that looks out over the boardwalk. Maybe. Yeah, I think it's the boardwalk. Maybe Central Park. It's one of them. But I'm going to show you guys that one soon. But now we are going to go and eat. We are hungry. I'm excited to see what they have at the Windjammer. I've heard that they have all sorts of stuff. Lobster, I guess. I'm not a lobster fan, but I mean, they have lobster and other stuff. So we're going to go and check it out. Okay, we got all sorts of food to try. They had so many different things, but I figured I would go and take you guys on a little tour of it to just show you guys what they have. So let's go and do that. I found out that on embarkation day, they have a big display with tons of cupcakes. They also offer a variety of chilled seafood, including clams, mussels, and lobster. There are a ton of different stations at the buffet. They have a great selection of all different types of breads here, as well as an assortment of charcuterie with different dips, spreads, meats, and cheeses, olives, as well as some fruits and vegetables here at the end of this little station. Then, moving on to the favorite station, you will find grilled veggies, mashed potatoes with gravy, and a carving station. They also have additional meats and sides that change daily. There is always a great selection of Indian food that is always very tasty. I noticed they also have vegan options as well as a gluten-free station. Their pasta station has a few pre-made pasta options as well as a selection of plain noodles and pasta sauces so you can create your own. They also had a churro station with different toppings, which was delicious. At the grill station, you can get hamburgers and hot dogs, as well as a great selection of hot and cold toppings. This is where you will also find your French fries and chicken tenders. There are also a ton of different desserts to choose from. They have a variety of cakes and cookies, as well as ice cream and bread pudding. They also have a station station just for the kids with fruit, mini sandwiches, and cookies. There is also no shortage of healthier options to include a salad bar with tons of fresh customization options, different soups of the day, as well as sliced fruit. The Windjammer also has quite a few complimentary beverages like water, coffee, milk, apple juice, orange juice, iced tea, and fruit punch here. Okay, that's cool. I want to try that now. That looks so much fun.
That looks cool.
No, it's probably gonna be a little scary. I don't love heights, but like, that's cool. I need to try it. There are so many people. It looks cool though in the water slides, but that's a lot of people. We got ice cream. Got myself my first ice cream, and they even have sprinkles. Really pretty here. I think the shop's just opened because now have officially left. And they even have a Starbucks. I need to come back here soon. Since we've been walking around after the sailing party, I figured why not get a snack before dinner? So we're gonna go and check out Sorrento's Pizza. We're gonna go get like a couple slices to share on it. So let's go and get a slice of pizza. Here's our pizzas. We got a cheese and a vegetarian. I almost dropped our pizza. Okay, we're gonna try it. It's really hot. That's actually pretty good. It's some good pizza. Okay, we haven't seen our other room yet, so we're gonna go check it out. It is 10707. So we're gonna go try and find it. Ooh, these are the smart elevators. Let's see. We're gonna find it eventually. 6. Okay, we found it. 10707. So here is 10707. We got our full length mirror. Hi! We've got this little desk area, which has a mirror. It does have a bunch of like USB outlets. Ooh, we got a hairdryer. Oh, our breakfast menu. Fun. In case we wanted that. Our little mini fridge. Bunch of other drawers. Here is the little couch that can be turned into a bed. Then we have 2 closets. Here's the bathroom. Another mirror. Oh, I love the tile. It's actually really pretty. I didn't notice that. Oh, and there's other on the floor too. It's like blue. It's cute. Then we have our closet number 1 and closet number 2. Fun. This one has the safe in it. That's cool. Oh, and I love all the cute little pictures. Those are cute. Then here's the bed and the TV. And then the best part is the balcony. Let's see if I can unlock it. There we go. Yay, I did it. This one faces the boardwalk. Oh, so you can almost see the Aqua Show from here. There's the Ultimate Abyss, other rooms, the Carousel, Giovanni's. It's really cool. Now I guess I can people watch on this balcony. I can go to the other balcony for the ocean, and then this one I can people watch. Well, that always reminds me of People Watching da-da, by Conan Gray. So that is basically our room. It's really cute, but now I've got to get ready for dinner. So I'm gonna go do that. Alrighty guys, so it is time to go to Izumi's. I'm super excited. They like sushi and all sorts of stuff, so I'm super excited to go eat there. It is down in Central Park, so we're gonna go and check it out. I've never been before, so I'm super excited. We made it to Central Park. It's actually really windy, and it's already like sprinkling outside, which is always fun. But it's super cute out here. It is raining. We've got Chops Grill. They got the floating bar. And then here's the main area. Alrighty, we made it. It's cute though. We purchased our dinner at Izumi in advance online. For the prefix menu, we were given edamame and miso soup, and were allowed to choose one small plate, 2 large plates, and 1 dessert each. My favorite small plates were the shrimp firecracker spring rolls. They were delicious. For the large plates, these include their hot items as well as their sushi rolls. Since there are 5 of us, we got to try a lot of different options. My favorites were the Izumi spider roll, beef teriyaki, and yaki udon. They were all really good and the portions were perfect. Moving on to dessert, they have a few different options, including the mochi, which is always my go-to. It's delicious. We thought the other options were pretty good as well. Okay guys, we are done with dinner. Dinner was so good. I am a huge fan of mochi, so I loved the mochi. I used to buy them in Target all the time. Or in the little like mochi there. It's so good. But either way, all of the food was phenomenal. Now we're just gonna go and walk around. We have to go to our show at 9:45 is what it starts. So yeah, we're gonna kind of go walk around and see what there is to do, and then head to the show. We were gonna go rock climbing, and now it is pouring. It's like Taylor Swift, the Halloween party, and all that all over again. Okay, so since rock climbing didn't go well, since it was raining, we just decided to come and sit and wait for the show. This is an ice skating show. It's really cool. I'm super excited to see it. I've never seen it before, but it looks really, really fun. But the show doesn't start for another like 45 minutes, but you're able to get in 45 minutes early. So we were able to get like literally like front row, like the middle like view. So I'm so excited to see it. Promenade actually has things like grapes and these little desserts and a couple like little sandwiches. If you want any of those, they are open 24 hours a day, so that is perfect. You can get coffee, I think, there. There's a couple, like, you can get orange juice, apple juice, and Sorrento's Pizza, if you're ever hungry, they are open until 3 in the morning. So it is perfect if you need just a quick bite.
Hands up.
Okay, I came down to refill my Stanley, which I'm glad I brought because it's not really that long of a walk, not from 6 at least, but it can be. But they're having like a whole like little party down there. Like literally so much entertainment on this boat. Like it's literally like everywhere, which is crazy. All right, everyone, so now it is getting a bit late, so I'm gonna head to bed because we still have so much more planned on this cruise. Rock climbing and a zip line and all sorts of different food to try, and literally there is so much to do. The ultimate abyss. I mean, there's so much to do, and I am so excited to go try it all out. The ice skating show was amazing today. It was so much fun. I've never seen one like that on a cruise ship too. I mean, that is insane. I don't know how they do it. Like, the boat was rocking today and it's windy outside and all that. Like, I don't know how they do it. Other than that, we explored the ship, and that was basically my embarkation day. It was a lot of fun, and I cannot wait to explore the rest of the ship and do all sorts of stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more of my adventures, subscribe down below and make sure to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. I'm gonna head to bed now, but see you guys later. Bye!